Can a website like FinnFox.com really help you get a personal loan between $100 to $5,000 even with bad credit, or is it just another shady platform exploiting financial stress? At first glance, FinnFox looks polished and promising, claiming fast approvals, flexible terms, and zero judgment on your credit score. But when we look deeper, the cracks began to show. In this video, we investigate what FinnFox actually does with your sensitive personal information, and whether you're truly getting matched with lenders or simply handing over your data to a network of aggressive marketers. One of the most concerning signs? There's only a single one-star review on Trustpilot, which is unusually low for a company offering loans to the public, raising serious questions about transparency and credibility. Reddit threads paint a much darker picture, with users reporting non-stop spam emails, robocalls, and even approvals from sketchy lenders offering sky-high APRs. One particularly shocking moment was caught during a TV segment, where a FinnFox-associated lender showed a 2,268% interest rate visible for just a split second before it disappeared, but enough to raise red flags. While the site never directly promises guaranteed approval, the way it's marketed creates a sense of urgency and simplicity that doesn't match the potential risks. We also touch on unclear terms, a lack of proper customer service contact options, and concerns about whether you're actually getting a loan or just being routed through a lead generation trap.